Hey guys, so this is like very quick video for you regards the Gen 5 by Dyson comparing to V16, and I'm going to like save you time, guys. Like I was researching this a lot and I don't want to waste the time because these are like to the point reviews. So you don't need to buy the the Dyson V16. Not only you have the front, which is like worse on the corners, as you can see, so that's a con of it. Now, it doesn't like side-by-side comparison. When I was like checking the stats and everything, it had worse performance comparing to V15 detect and also Gen 5 side by side. So this is like very important. Also, there is a gap between rollers, so that's like another thing. Unswept path in the middle where nothing gets picked up. So that's like another important thing if you want to get it. And also, when we're gonna dive even further, you have when we go even further, so the filter get clogged fast too. I mean, like comparing to if you want to actually like get it, what you can actually expect is that yes, you have like on the paper Dyson V16 got better suction power comparing to Gen 5, that's for sure. Also you can have more bin volume, but the charge time is also longer comparing to Gen 5. You got lower runtime, but you have also with Gen 5 you have standard HEPA, and that's very important. You have full seal 5-stage HEPA with the Dyson V16. So you know, it's like yes, you have like less stuff comparing to Gen 5, but again, like I don't know if it's actually like worth it based on all the data that I was like researching for you. So for me, is like you can go with the Gen 5, you're not going to make a mistake there, and you can even check the reviews by yourself and you would see the answer right there. So thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye.